Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us might not be aware of: the effects of blue light on our skin. Yes, that's right. The same blue light from our screens can harm our skin. Stick around as we share some practical tips and tricks to protect your skin from blue light damage. Let's get started. So, what exactly is blue light? Blue light is a high-energy, short-wavelength light that's part of the visible light spectrum. It's emitted by the sun, but also by our digital devices like smartphones, computers, and TVs. Recent studies suggest that prolonged exposure to blue light can accelerate skin aging, cause hyperpigmentation, and even disrupt your sleep cycle. Here's a quick science lesson. Blue light penetrates deeper into the skin compared to UV light, reaching the dermis where collagen and elastin are found. This can lead to the breakdown of these vital proteins, causing premature aging and wrinkles. Moreover, blue light can generate free radicals which can further damage skin cells. So, how can you tell if your skin is suffering from blue light damage? Look out for signs like increased hyperpigmentation, especially in areas most exposed to your screen, premature fine lines and wrinkles, and a generally dull complexion. Now, let's get into the part you've been waiting for: how to protect your skin from blue light damage. 1. Use a blue light filter. Most devices now come with built-in blue light filters. Make sure to activate these settings, especially in the evenings. 2. Wear sunscreen indoors. Yes, you heard that right. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen that protects against both UV and blue light. Look for ingredients like zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. 3. Invest in blue light skincare products. There are serums and creams specifically formulated to protect against blue light. Look for products with antioxidants like vitamin C and E, as they help neutralize free radicals. 4. Limit screen time. Try to take regular breaks from your screens. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. 5. Adjust your screen brightness. Keep your device's brightness as low as possible without straining your eyes. 6. Use a blue light screen protector. Consider applying a blue light screen protector to your devices. These are easily available online and can make a big difference. 7. Stay hydrated and maintain a healthy diet. A healthy diet rich in antioxidants can help your skin combat the effects of blue light. Drink plenty of water and eat fruits and vegetables high in vitamins and minerals. And there you have it. By incorporating these simple tips and tricks into your daily routine, you can protect your skin from the harmful effects of blue light. Remember, taking care of your skin is just as important as taking care of your overall health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments what other topics you'd like us to cover. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yeah.